Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the Excel to MySQL online data flow. Let's get started. In here, I will explain you how about your data in Excel can be moved to database in online. Okay, for example, you have created data in Excel and you want to move this data from Excel to database in MySQL, and you can do this. You can see in here the flow data from Excel to MySQL. You can see from starting the left, Excel, it is from your local computer, and then inside of the Excel you have FBA macro, Visual Basic for application, and then you need PHP API. You can create this code in online, and MySQL for saving your data. It is database, and if you have created web interface, you can take data from this database and then you can show up all of this data from MySQL to your web interface. You have website and then you want to show up data from MySQL, you can do this, and you can take data from MySQL. This is the flow data from your local computer, and then you want to move data from Excel to MySQL, and you have to connecting your computer to online, and this is this way with manually. You have to turn on, turn off, or button upload data from this FBA to update the data in MySQL. Okay, this is still manually to update data. You can imagine you have data, but for changing data in MySQL, you have to turn on update button from FBA macro, Visual Basic for application. It is not automatically, but it is still manually. You have to click button update on FBA macro to change data on MySQL. Okay, I hope you understand for this explanation. Why we have to use VBA, Visual Basic for Application? Because with VBA macro, you have a button click to send data or to take data from database. If you don't use VBA macro, so you cannot do this. This is the middle process to connecting online. So you have to need this VBA macro, Visual Basic for Application. After you understand the flow data from Excel to MySQL, and you have to create script for VBA macro and PHP API. You have to create two files in VBA macro, and you also create two files in PHP API. Two files for VBA macro, they are to take data from MySQL and files to send data to MySQL. In PHP API, you have to create two files, and two files of this PHP API, they are to send data to MySQL and file to take data from MySQL. You have to create files script for VBA macro and PHP API. If you have been successfully creating this file, so the process will can start normally. And in the next time, if you request to me to create this file, I will do this. You can comment on below this video if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.